Hello and welcome back, my beautiful Mextalkers. In this video you will learn the letters and sounds in Spanish and some of the most common names in Mexico. So enjoy the video. Spanish is a very easy language to read because you pronounce each individual letter as it is written in the word. Of course, we have some exceptions, but mostly we take these from other languages such as English. For example, vivo en un penthouse. I live in a penthouse. Or from other languages such as French. For example, tengo que ir a la boutique a comprar ropa. Or even German. Mis hijos están en el kindergarten. Another important thing to say is that the H in 99% of the cases is totally soundless. Although, of course, we have the sh sound, which is basically the C plus H. One easy example is the name of the country, Chile. In this case, of course, the H sounds along with C as ch, Chile. In the last 1% of the cases, the H conserves the same sound as the original language where it comes from. So, for example, we can say hamster. Another quick note. Some people say that the Z and S in Spanish sound different. But honestly, in Mexico and in many other countries in Latin America, there is no difference at all. It sounds the same. Cazar, to marry. Cazar, to hunt. It's all about the context. And, with regards to getting married and hunting, there isn't really that much of a difference anyway. Nah, just kidding. Okay, now let's learn the alphabet while also learning some of the most common names in Mexico. Try to follow along.
A. Alfredo. B. Blanca. C. Carlos. D. Diego. E. Ernesto. F. Francisco. G. Gabriela. H. Horacio. I. Ismael. J. Jorge. K. Carla. L. Luis. M. Mariana. N. Norma. Ñ. Iñaki. O. Octavio. P. Pedro. Q. Quetzali. R. Roberto. S. Santiago. T. Teresa. U. Uriel. V. Víctor. W. Wilfredo. X. Jimena. Y. Yair. Z. Zaida. Now, let's get to the tricky parts. The C sound and the G sound. First, the C. It will have two sounds, K or S. The first one is when we have the C followed by A, O, or U, or any other consonant except for H, because we said that in that case it sounded like ch. Examples: la casa, el coyote, la cuenta, like in the restaurant, right? La cuenta, por favor. The bill, please. Creer. But if the C is followed by E or E, it has a S sound. Remember, this is the same sound as the seat. Examples: el zoológico, la ciudad, el cerdo. Pretty easy, right? Then we have the G. It could have two sounds as well, H and G. The first sound is when the G is followed by E or E, and it is basically the same sound as the J. So let's see. La jirafa, el gimnasio, el jefe, el general. Do you see? It's the same sound. Now, when the G is followed by O or U, or be careful, U plus A or E, it is going to have a G sound. Examples: el gato, el gol, el gusto, la guitarra, la guerra. Notice that there is a huge difference between the single R and the double R. Pero, but, and perro, dog, are very different. You can find a gazillion videos in YouTube that teach how to make these sounds. Good. Now, it's time for testing your comprehension. Listen and try to figure out how to write the word. Then check your answer. Rosa, tequila, agenda, jirafa, perro, manzana, zorro, taza.
Congratulations! Now you know the basic sounds in Spanish. In the upcoming video, I'll show you everything you need to know about the tilde, which is basically the stress in the words. And we will read some of my favorite passages in Spanish so you can train your reading skills. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like it, please give us your thumbs up and share it with other learners. That will truly help us a lot. Also, if you're not subscribed to our channel, please do it. I'm sure you won't regret it. My name is Diego. See you in the next video, Mextalkers.